figure has,
Espinosa to the front office, Lisbeth Espinosa.
if a figure has 6 congruent sides,
It's a regular.
then it is a regular hexagon. Feel free to pretty much shorten your words if you want to. All right. What's the inverse, Al?
I thought the inverse was split.
Is it not?
It's negative.
I think that
It's the knot.
Oh.
The inverse is the knot.
Oh.
So, Ms. Zakowski, what's the inverse?
If a figure is not a regular hexagon, then it does not have 6 congruent sides.
Figure is not a regular hexagon, then if a figure is not a regular hexagon, then it does
Not have.
not have 6 congruent sides. Hopefully the camera gets that. I kind of went off. Yeah, it got it. Okay. Contrapositive. Hold on. Go ahead, Wasserman. Go ahead.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this wrong, but
Try it out.
alright. If it does not have 6 congruent sides, then it is not a regular lexicon.
That is correct.
Ah, GG Damon.
What?
Sorry.
Good thing he didn't do I am the GOAT.
Right? God. So I do when I feel like I got some
What
Okay.
makes me feel special.
So, contrapositive if
If it does not have 6 congruent sides.
it does not
have 6 congruent sides, then it is not regular hexagon.
6 congruent sides, then
It is not a regular hexagon.
well, it is not or a figure, then I guess if a figure does not have 6 congruent sides, because since we pretty much started with figure, I should have started with figure for this. So if a figure does not have 6 congruent sides, then it is not a
Would we
regular
have to
hexagon.
still put figure? Or?
Nah, not necessarily. I know what you mean. It's a little bit of a preference thing. You know what I'm saying? As long as you're flipping your Q and P, okay? As long as you're flipping them. So then a figure is not a regular hexagon. Alright. Don't worry. You might have plenty of room to draw this out, write this out. You should. Equations 24 through 28. Alright. Move this mouse. 24 through 28. Alright. So.
Are we just like stating, like writing the
Yeah, that's write each sentence with their symbols, okay, representing each statement. All right. And or. Who here remembers the and or?
Not me.
Like,
Where's the name? No, it wasn't the school.
What was the?
Wait.
Well,
Wait.
where's your notes? Get your notes out. Get your notes out.
It's the.
Get your notes out.
I forgot about that.
It's dealing with the I think it was on my sheet of paper that I gave you with law of syllogism and law of detachment, or it was the if then
Yeah, it's
statements.
the up V and then the down V.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh,
And the up V is and, right?
Let's find out. Ms. Zakowski,
Or is down and is up.
good job.
What?
Good job.
I got it right.
Or is down.
And
And is an up.
or not
Indoor knowledge. I'm confused.
if then okay, please remember these symbols. Okay, please remember them. Can't make this stuff up. You will see it on your test tomorrow.
Well, we have no time on that.
Oh no, depends on how I'm feeling that day.
Oh, man.
I don't want to use my
But I suggest you bring your notes.
I ain't gonna bring
I'm
my
bringing
to use them?
Nah,
Just
you gotta
that
bring
I-
them to class and throw them away. Look at this one. 24. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then ABCD is a quadrilateral.
It's P arrow Q.
Good job. P, arrow, Q. Let me draw up lowercase q.
Down.
Okay? Long story short, P states ABCD is a parallelogram. Q states ABCD is a quadrilateral. R states side AB is congruent to segment CD. S states segment AB is parallel to segment CD, okay? So you're just putting, all you're doing is just putting these parts into these forms, okay? Into what they represent. P represents this sentence, so therefore you put the P for this sentence. If ABCD is a parallelogram, that's what P represents. Then ABCD is a quadrilateral. So P and Q. And it's a if then. The if then is the arrow. So P, if then Q. Okay? Cool?
Yeah.
Okay. ABCD is a quadrilateral. And AB is not congruent to CD.
Q and then up arrow, then not R.
Q, right? And we have the and. And we have not congruent to CD.
Which is a
AB,
squiggly R.
I'm sorry, yeah, AB is not congruent to CD. So we have the not right here,
And then R.
and then R. Okay? Cool? This is actually easy as long as you just put your signs. And then you can just read it left to right and interpret it, all right? This is the
I
main
never
part
seen
of
one
it.
like this before.
It's okay.
Turn that phone.
ABCD is not a parallelogram. ABCD is not a parallelogram. Not P. Or AB, or segment AB, is parallel to CD. What do you think that is?
Huh?
What letter do you think this is, miss?
That's, it's like S, right? Or am I going, I don't.
No, that's correct.
Oh, yeah,
S.
it's S.
Okay? Good job. If, look at that. If we start with the if, we're going to be having a then. Okay? So if AB is congruent to CD, where's AB is congruent to CD? Which one is that?
R.
R. Keep going, Miss Cooper. What comes after the R? There you go. Then ABCD is a parallelogram. You're done. That's it. Floyd, take us home.
It's ABC. Key.
Read it out.
Wait. Squiggly line.
Uh-huh.
P. And then, would it be the arrow?
Good job. Because it's an if-then statement.
Squiggly.
Squiggly.
R.
Segment AB is not congruent to segment CD.
So R.
Good job.
Let's go.
Okay? Did 24 through 28 seem easy?
I want a whole.
Now that I explained it again.
I want a whole test of this.
Who's ready to ace this joint tomorrow?
Nope. Ooh, a joint.
Take this home. And this is why
There's no thing as editing. Oh my god.
y'all killing me. This is why I was going through this one page at a time this whole week, okay?
Oh, that's
To ensure and make sure that all of y'all are prepared for this tomorrow, okay? This will count twice, post-test and midterm, okay?
So there's 28 questions on the midterm? Or is
You said 50.
No, I don't know how many questions I'm gonna put up there, but just know it's gonna be more than 10. It's probably gonna be more than 20. All right,
More than two.
but you're gonna be doing this, okay? So don't worry. All right.
Alright.
I feel like that's
Cool,
the
cool.
easiest thing you were before. Was that, like, that I
To what?